What's up, Sunny family? I am your Sunny coach, Sam Candler. Today, we are going to be talking about my gym bag essentials. I wake up with water all day, and water in the evening. I sleep with water right by my bed. So we know that water is so important to us for so many reasons, but also I believe water can be a little bit addictive. So once I started focusing on drinking a lot of water, it made me keep wanting to drink more. So I keep water with me all day, every day. I'm a little bit picky about the electrolytes I use. I really focused on going with low sugar, high quality ingredients. So this one is made locally in Southern California where I live, and I'm a big fan of it. It's got a great little lemonade flavor to it. And with electrolytes, I know that I'm helping to keep my water balance in and out of my cells right where it needs to be. So I hydrate, but I guess I also dehydrate a little bit with coffee. I love the feel of drinking coffee. I love the warmth of drinking coffee. I love the energy that it gives me. However, I do try to moderate. I would drink coffee all day, every day, just like water if I could, but I know that's maybe not the best plan, so I like to have a cup in the morning, maybe two, and then if it's that kind of day, I might have one later. It's tea that tastes a little bit like coffee. So I told you I love drinking coffee, so this is my alternative when I know I've hit my max for caffeine, but I still really want a warm, uplifting beverage. Tea is it. Plus, I really hate being cold. That can derail my entire day, so a hot cup of tea when I've already hit my quota for coffee is exactly what I'm looking for. So these are my favorite kind of hair tie. They're not just the regular rubber ones that you get at the drugstore. Got these online, and they are great because they don't leave dents in your hair. You can have your hair up, take it down, your hair still looks good. Plus, they hold pretty well, and they give you a little extra volume to that ponytail, which, let's be honest, is just cute. I keep snacks with me all the time, so I really don't like being cold, and we talked about that. I also really don't like being hungry. I get grumpy when I'm hungry. Call it hangry, call it what you will, but I keep snacks with me. I like Perfect bars because I think, one, they taste good. Also, they've got a good amount of fat, protein, and sugar, all ingredients that I need to be successful in my very busy and active days. So it is super easy to grab the packaged bars when I need them in a jam, but I also like to keep fruit on hand. I am a very carb-friendly person. I love eating carbs. They fuel my running beautifully. So I keep apples, bananas, stuff like that on hand just so I have a good natural snack when I need it. I like to work hard, which means I sweat hard. It's healthy, especially when you stay hydrated. So I just make sure I bring a towel, and I'll tell you what, I'm not one of those little dabs, full on wiping the sweat away. The sweatier and wetter the towel is by the end of the workout, the more I know I worked. So I always bring with me a change of clothes, especially on full days where I know I'm going to be training, coaching, and working out myself. So I like to bring especially changes of tops. I really like wearing colors like gray, but then they show sweat big time, so I just bring extras and change into them. All right, so this is not necessarily a gym bag essential. This is an absolute life essential that I always bring something in case I get cold. So this is a sweatshirt. I live in Southern California. You'd think it's warm all the time, but let me tell you, it does get cold, and I don't really have a whole lot of tolerance for it. So it might be a sweatshirt, it might be a parka, it might be a scarf, but whatever it is, I always have a plan in mind for when it gets cold. I am very concerned about the ingredients in what I put on my skin, so I make sure that it's as natural and clean ingredients as possible. No aluminum in here, but that does mean that sometimes it doesn't work as well as those super manufactured kinds, so you gotta reapply. So also in my gym bag, I like to keep warm-up gear. So bands are really great. You can use the short booty bands to help activate your glutes. You can use the longer bands to help warm up with pull-ups or get your total body moving. So I really like to use bands because they're a great, very portable, very comfortable way to get ready to work. Well, I don't know how this got in my bag. I mean, I must be strong to carry these around all day. But if you've been following me, you know that I really have gotten into my kettlebell work. So I love to have a kettlebell with me. I'll keep one in my car, maybe not necessarily in the bag all the time. But kettlebells are incredibly portable, very versatile, and kettlebell strength leads to total overall strength. So the work that I've done with kettlebells has helped support my running, has helped support my deadlifting, barbell work as well. So kettlebells, it's an essential. So this next item is incredibly essential because I love wearing black, but I have a dog that sheds a good amount. So I keep a lint roller with me at all times. It's important for my clothes, it's important for the stuff I use, it's important for my car too, but I get covered in dog hair, so I just get rid of it. All right, so the next item, which I think everybody has, are, wait a second, I don't have them at all. Headphones. I don't work out with headphones. I actually like to work out in silence. I like to hear my breath. I like to hear the beat of my feet as I'm running, and I like to really focus on what I'm doing. I will say though, every now and then I get that vibe to play some music, but sometimes if you see me in headphones, it's just so other people think I have music on so they don't come and talk to me. So these are my gym bag essentials. What do you have in your bag? Like and leave a comment below.